Hi. This tutorial is to teach SBD seekers on how to upload products to tootoo Marketplace. First, go to tootoo.com. My website. Click on the top right menu button and click on tootoo Marketplace. Log into your vendor account with a username and password. Click on the top left menu button. Click on Products. And then click Products being sold. To add new products, first, click on the plus sign icon and select Create New Product. Fill up mandatory information for the product such as product's name, product category, description, images, product codes and etc. The price column is the product selling price, while the list price column is the base or special price vendor provided to tootoo. There are few fields that are set to default are not required to filled up unless there is a need for vendor such as promo text and short description. Once done, click on the Create button to request admin approval for the product at tootoo Marketplace. Click on the notification, vendor can view their products which waiting for approval. Thus, vendor also can click on Product Moderation to view the status. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.